Hello and welcome back to your IELTS review video. In today's video, we're talking about water, so let's get started. How often do you drink water? Is a question that can be asked. I try to drink water throughout the day. I make sure to have a glass of water with every meal. Or, you could say, hydration is important to me, so I've made a point to drink water frequently. I aim to have at least 8 glasses of water each day to stay properly hydrated. What kinds of water do you like to drink? I prefer drinking plain filtered water. It's refreshing and helps quench my thirst. Or I have a preference for drinking purified water, whether it's from a water filter or a reliable source. I find that pure water is the most satisfying. Do you drink bottled water or water from water machines? I usually drink bottled water because it's convenient to carry around. Or I opt for water from water machines, as it's not only eco-friendly but also cost-effective. I use my reusable water bottle to fill up whenever needed. Have you encountered a situation where there was no water to drink? Yes. Once during a hiking trip, I ran out of water, and it was quite challenging. Or indeed, during a camping expedition, I unexpectedly ran out of water, and it made me realize the significance of having a sufficient supply, especially in remote locations. Okay, that's all the questions for today. Next up is our reading passage. Please read along with me, as it's intended to give you more insight to the topic at hand. Water, the elixir of life, from regulating body temperature to aiding digestion and transporting nutrients. Water is involved in a multitude of physiological processes. Water is often referred to as the elixir of life due to its essential role in supporting bodily functions. The human body is composed of approximately 60% water, underlining its significance in maintaining balance. Hydration is essential for healthy skin, proper digestion, and efficient functioning of organs like the heart and kidneys. Ensuring adequate hydration can contribute to improved mental clarity and productivity. Hydration can impact cognitive function, leading to difficulties in concentration, memory, and decision-making. Replenishing these lost fluids is crucial to prevent dehydration and enhance athletic performance. Engaging in physical activities results in a loss of fluids through sweat. Unfortunately, many parts of the world still lack access to clean water, leading to various health challenges. Clean and safe drinking water is essential for maintaining health. Contrary to some myths, thirst is not always a reliable indicator of dehydration. By the time you feel thirsty, your body might already be dehydrated. The benefits of proper hydration extend beyond quenching thirst. They contribute to vitality, clarity of mind, and optimal body function. Incorporating sufficient water consumption into daily routines is a simple yet impactful way to promote overall well-being. Right, I hope you found that insightful. Next up is our range of vocabulary and expressions that I want you to take away and incorporate into your everyday language use. Hydration, physiological process, fluid balance, elixir of life, athletic performance, cognitive function, dehydration, mental clarity, health challenges, productivity. Stay properly hydrated, keep fluid levels in check, boost cognitive performance, fuel your workouts, combat dehydration, clear your mental fog, and many more. Please have a look. And lastly, for today, we have our paraphrasing exercises. Have a go at putting some of these into your own words at home with me. How often do you drink water? Instead, you say, how frequently do you consume water? What kinds of water do you drink? What types of water you prefer choice for drinking? Do you drink bottled water or water from water machines? Do you alter bottled water or water source from dispensing machines? In paraphrasing statements, instead of saying staying properly hydrated is crucial for maintaining overall health, you could say, ensuring adequate hydration is essential for upholding one's well-being. Or, quenching thirst properly contributes to preventing dehydration. Instead, addressing thirst properly helps avert the risk of becoming dehydrated. And lastly, paraphrasing descriptions, and you're on your own with that one. As always, thank you for listening. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.